Hi there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hard refresh and reload a site in Chrome app on iPhone. Launch the Chrome app and say suppose this is the site that I want to hard refresh. So what I can do is I need to clear the cache data manually, because in most of the smartphone apps or the smartphone browser apps, we do not have the option to clear or hard refresh. So for that we need to manually clear the cache. So first step is open that particular website, tap on this three dot options and go to clear browsing data, and from here you need to choose two options, which is cookies, site data, and the cache images and files. So deleting the cookies will sign you out of your website, so ensure that there is a caveat that you are going to face. So once you selected these two options, you can choose the time range. For most of the problems you're facing, you should choose all time, and once you have chosen both the options and the time range, you can just select this clear browsing data command and confirm. So once that browsing data has been cleared, so you can just navigate back to your website and again tap on this three dot options, and here at the top you can see the first command, which is reload. Just select reload command. So in this way it will hard refresh and reload a site. That's it. Please hit the like button if you find this video helpful and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and cheers.